पे रंगत है, दिल में मोहब्बत है, क्या जिसमें औरत है, बस जन्नत ही जन्नत है।
जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं हेमा मालिनी जी की, द ड्रीम गर्ल ऑफ बॉलीवुड, द ड्रीम गर्ल ऑफ इंडिया एंड currently the member parliament. Hema Malini ji is right here in the heart of Silicon Valley at Ria Banquet Halls in Milpitas for a wonderful event organized by Bollywood Events, Bikramjeet Singh, Ms. Renu Dhillon of Genius Kids and Akash Sharma. Everyone can take their seats. Beauty and inspiration. ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी शायर की कदर, ड्रीम गर्ल।
बोल देना अच्छा है। बेलापुर का 2 रुपया और रामगढ़ का 1.5 रुपया, इसमें झिकझिक मत करना।
तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है मन, तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल, बड़ी मुश्किलों से फिर संभलता है दिल, क्या क्या जता।
She is having a gala time with all the Bay Area audience who is so looking forward to her. And the next Dream Girl Award has been won aptly by Gauri Sri. And then there are other awards that other women have won according to the respective categories.
Thank you so much. And our next contestant is Neha.
So congratulations to all the Dream Girl winners, and thanks to Bikramjeet Singh and the organizer team who has also given the honor from Miss Hema Malini to the Yo India TV team, myself Jasleen Khanuja and my husband Tanveer Khanuja. We work together. So thank you to the organizer team. And it was really a pleasure to recap the event. I personally loved the songs that Hema Malini ji sung. First time I have heard her singing. We have always seen her beautiful acting.
तुम्हारे बिना हमें तुमसे प्यार इतना कि हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है मन, तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल, बड़ी मुश्किलों से फिर संभलता है दिल, क्या क्या जतन करते हैं हमने शोले 50 बार 100 बार देखा. This is what I hear. Very few people have come out with हमने 10 बार देखा. अरे सिर्फ 10 बार देखा क्या? मैं भी उनको पूछती हूँ 100 बार देखना चाहिए था ना. Reaction I also have it, but it's fun. लेकिन डायलॉग आप यहाँ से कौन बोलने के लिए तैयार, क्योंकि मैं जिनसे भी बात करती हूँ वो शोले के डायलॉग बोलने के लिए रेडी रहता है. आई थिंक yesterday you was trying to speak, है ना? विक्रम जी was शोले का पिक्चर में सिर्फ यही बोलना है और क्या बोलना है. कमाल है. हम सब आर्टिस्ट ने इतना काम किया, इतना मेहनत किया, इतना डायलॉग याद कर करके बोला है. आप क्या बोलना है? कुछ नहीं. I am a very normal person right now today.
बसंती, इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना बसंती.
अभी बाहर जाएंगे तो आपको पड़ेगी. कोई और बोलने के रेडी है? एक डायलॉग तो बोलिए. इंटरेस्ट नहीं. What about Vora brothers? एक लाइन तो बोलिए. वही तो बात है ना, जो आता नहीं वो करना चाहिए, कोशिश करना चाहिए.
कितने आदमी थे? 200 आदमी आए यहाँ पर.
Padma Shri Hema Malini ji has also won the Filmfare Award for Best Female Actress for Sita or Geeta, but that was way back, I believe in late 70s or early 80s, you know. So
मैं जब यहाँ पर आ रही थी 8 तारीख को हम निकले वहाँ मुंबई से. उस वक्त थोड़ा माहौल हिंदुस्तान में इतना ठीक नहीं था, लेकिन मुझे थोड़ा सा टेंशन भी था कि क्या होगा करके. लेकिन वो ज़रूरी भी था. जो हमारे पहलगांव में जो हमारी बहनों के सिंदूर को उजाड़ा गया है आतंकवादियों ने, टेररिस्ट ने.
Thank you so much. And now really quickly, I know dinner is served and very... The first place winner for Dream Girl Lookalike is the lady standing next to her, Gauri. Let's give her a big hand. For drama is Neha. Let's give her a big hand. The winner for singing is Pallavi. Let's give her a big hand. And last but not least, the winner for dance was Ankita. Ladies and gentlemen, let's applaud these wonderful ladies. Thank you so much.
वैसे मैं सैन फ्रांसिस्को बहुत बार आ चुकी हूँ. I've been here many times, all over US. But whenever I come for a dance performance. So I perform for 2 hours my different various dances, which I have been performing all over the world, and which is very, very popular, which gives the about our culture, our tradition, our Puranas. All these things are all projected through my dance, which I have been doing. But the worst part is I dance and then the next day I go away, I don't meet any of you. So this time when Akashji, Vikramji told me that this is going to be a meet and greet. So I said, meet and greet, what is it? So I'm meeting all of you. And who is greeting me? I am. Vikram, Akash, and then I congratulate and thank Vora Brothers also for taking a lot of interest in this event and many more. You have been supporting this cause what our Vikram and Akash are doing. Especially they are empowering women here in what do you call this place? Bay Area. Yeah? This is a Bay Area, I'm here for the first time. Yesterday I came and I went round and saw, it's very beautiful and you are all very lucky people to be living in such a peaceful and a lovely atmosphere. Mumbai is developing in India, everything is in a different position right now. You can see a lot of infrastructure, constructions are going on. So it is going to compete with New York very soon. I used to be very fond of Vajantimala those days. But so she was my role model. So I used to keep watching her dances, her films. So, you know, we all have to have some role models, so that gives an inspiration for us to move ahead in life. So that is what I have been. So I will really want the girls who are now going to be a mother, today or later on. So you have to have a responsibility, and it is like my mother took a lot of interest in me. Like we are coming from a normal, my parents were, my father was a government officer those days, and I must tell you a small incident. So my mother's dream was to put me on the stage. भरतनाट्यम जैसा अभी बच्चे लोग डांस किया वैसे मुझे स्टेज पर देखने का उनका बहुत मन था. तो जिसे अरंगेट्रम कहते हैं, the first performance जो होता है. So that my mother wanted. Then we have to have some beautiful costume and all. So I remember how much they struggled to get that costumes made, and then the performance took place. This program today is very beautiful show arranged by Vikram and Akash and the whole entire group of Vora Brothers and all of you. So I thank you so much for that. But next year I would like to come and perform my dance.